Welcome back. 190 seats in engineering colleges across the state are vacant as the students are moving to the vocational streams, leaving science and mathematics. Director of Education G.P. Bhatt expressed worry regarding the scenario of primary education in state. He was speaking at the inaugural of National Workshop on Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities organized by Sanjay Center for Special Education.
I am little bit worried regarding primary education, where in Goa 190 seats in engineering are vacant today. If a primary education is good, students won't dare to leave mathematics and science subject, particularly at the standard 8th, 9th. Instead of mathematics and science, they go for vocational. And as a result, professional courses seats are vacant, students are not there. This is not a good picture.
Speaker of Goa Assembly Rajendra Arlekar feels we lack in innovative ideas.
We do not have that innovative ideas. That is exactly what we are lacking today. And the institutes like such, this which have come, you all have come from Chennai, I think this particular lacuna will be filled up. We will get rid of all those non-availability of such things, such expertise. And we will look at this problem with new ideas, with new initiative.
National Workshop on Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities in association was organized with Sanjay Center for Special Education, Goa. The workshop will go on for 2 days at Porvorim. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Pednekaars celebrated famous Punav on Wednesday. Thousands of devotees flocked Pednekaars to witness the celebrations. One can see two different Tarangs, one of Shree Bhootnath and the other of Shree Rawalnath. Here are some of the glimpses. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.